Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the World Car Finals powered by Brembo.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2023 World Car Person of the Year, SangYup Lee.
Thanks for you.
Hyundai Ioniq 6.
And the 2023 World Urban Car is the Citroën C3. Congratulations.
The performance track is the R&D lab of the automotive industry. And in the age of electrification, it's even more important. It is where we learn to drive our cars further, drive them faster, and deliver more smiles. The performance track is also where passion is born, where designers and engineers and consumers show their love for cars. And this year, that performance category is more competitive than ever. In fact, for the first time in the history of the World Car Awards, there is not a European finalist in the top 3. Kia EV6 GT.
Good morning. Luxury cars are exceptionally designed machines, the elite of the automotive world, where demand exceeds supply and aspiration is higher still. And the 2023 World Luxury Car winner is the Lucid Air. It's receiving award is Kelly Jenkins, Senior Vice President of Design and Brand at Lucid Motors.
So far, so let's get to EV. The electric vehicle space is hotter than ever. Credible engineering, exhilarating performance, sexy good looks, and that little bit extra. Electric vehicles are killing it and winning more and more fans worldwide as they do. The past year has seen some of the biggest advances we have seen in electric mobility, and these 3 cars you're about to see are examples of just how far we have come in this space. Okay. The 2023 World Electric Vehicle is the Hyundai Ioniq 6.
What an honor. I'm really humbled and honored to get this recognition, to the entire Hyundai Motor Group, to our executive chair, Mr. Chan, our CEO, Ye Chan, for giving us all the resources to develop these great products. I want to thank all the members of the jury. Thank you very much. I want to congratulate all the finalists. These are really great cars, great designs, and all the winners as well. So also special congratulations to my colleagues from Kia. Congratulations. I would like to say as well that we appreciate very much the support that we get from all functions in the company, R&D, design, sales and marketing, operations, for all the support that you provide. I want to thank all the customers. The customers, especially of the Ioniq 5, have been our best inspiration to develop the Ioniq 6. You may know that the Ioniq 6 is built on the same platform, so it's a testament to the great feedback that we receive from our customers. And I would like to say at the end that I want to thank particularly our designers, and today especially SangYup Lee, who already got 2 awards, and I want to tell you why. So other OEMs have invented many technologies, and we all try to make the most out of them. But only one OEM has invented the autonomous selling cars. That's Hyundai Ioniq. Thank you, SangYup. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations.
So now we come to the culmination of the program, the much anticipated overall contenders for the World Car of the Year trophy. So So what is it? Korean or German? Fully electric or variety of powertrains? Sleek sedan or crossover SUV? 2023 world car of the year is the Hyundai Ioniq 6.
I would just say very few words. Humble, honor, hungry, Hyundai.